After World War II, tract housing took off. Rows of nearly identical homes built fast and affordable. The most famous, Levittown, New York. Built in 1947, it was the first large-scale suburban community in America. With over 17,000 nearly identical houses, Levittown became the blueprint for the suburbs. Lawns, sidewalks, and yes, a garage for every family. At first, the garage was just for cars, but soon it became so much more. A workshop, a storage unit, even the birthplace of small businesses and garage bands. A simple feature of mass housing turned into a canvas for individuality, because every trend in uniform housing eventually leads back to the same place, making a house feel like yours. And when we update those blank slates with care, we don't just make them beautiful, we build lasting value that starts at home. If this sparked your curiosity, follow us for more surprising stories behind the walls of your home.